Hello everyone, my name is Besnik Abroshi. I am a student of Master's Program for Software Engineering at Washington Education in Kosovo. This is a video presentation of my project called Split Bills, which is part of the course Object-Oriented Programming taught by Adam Almog. I've made this project during the 9 weeks that last in this course, and I am glad I can present it to you. I hope you like it. Let's talk a bit more about this project. Split Bills is a Windows application where users can pay their bills online. In order to create this, I've used VPF and XAML for designing the user interface. And I've used C# as an object-oriented programming language, as well as Microsoft SQL Server for storing and retrieving data. Individual functions of this app include linking up utilities and their relevant bills, as well as paying them online, sending an email to every user, and printing reports. Now, let's take a closer look at the application windows. There are 5 of them: login, sign up, user, home, and payment and report. Now here I have Microsoft Visual Studio Express 2013 for Windows Desktop, where I have all 5 windows: login, sign up, user, home, payment, and report. And as you can see, the code behind these forms or windows is written in C#. And also down here I have Microsoft SQL Server, where I have the database called Split Bills, and in the database we have 3 tables: invoice, invoice type, and users. So let's start the program and see how it works. Well, the program first opens. The login window is the first window that shows up. Here the user can enter his or her email address and the password in order to log in on the application. But if the user is not registered, he can always sign up using this link down here, which opens the second window called sign up. Here we can type in our first name, last name, date of birth, email, password, repeat the password for confirmation, bank name, and bank account. Let's give it a try. We have to write down the bank name, and the bank account, and when we click submit, the data are saved in the SQL server. Here we can show it. There it is, the final user added to the table or to the database. Or if the user simply makes mistakes, he can reset the form, which will empty all the text box. And if the user decides not to go forward with the process of registration, he can always click cancel. So I am registered and I am going to give it a try. When the user is logged in, another window pops up which is named user home. Here is shown every bit of data and information that tells the user of his utilities and his bills. The first combo box the user can use it to select paid or unpaid bills. In the second box, the user can select all utilities or just one of them, for example, rent, water, electricity, and so on. Here is a data grid where is shown student ID, invoice ID, and the amount to pay for that given bill. If the user clicks on the row, it opens up another window which is called payment, and here is given the bill name and the bill amount. If the user decides to pay online, he can just click the button pay online and a confirmation is shown: you have paid your bills successfully. Okay. I like programming with C# and working with VPF and XAML. It was hard working with SQL data. Data grid was a bit hard to get it done right. I look forward working with VPF. Thanks for watching this video. Bye everyone.